Fish. Do you know where fish live? That's right. Fish live underwater. How can they do that, I hear you ask? Well, it's because fish have gills. Fish use their gills to suck up water and extract oxygen. Just like how we breathe in air. Fish have fins and tails that go whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. So they can swim really well. There are lots of different types of fish. Some fish are great at hiding. And some are very colorful. There are stripy reef fish, and bluefish with yellow stripes. Blackfish with blue highlights. And tiny little fish. Parrotfish have really strong teeth that they use to grind up coral. Crunch, crunch, crunch. These huge groups of fish are called schools. Look at them all move together. That's impressive. A great place to see fish is at an aquarium. Would you like to see a school of fish swimming underwater at an aquarium? That would be fun. What other animals would you like to learn about next? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe.